MySQL or PostgreSQL? Choosing the wrong database can cost you performance and scalability. Let's find out which one fits your project. MySQL has been around since 1995. It's fast, simple, and powers millions of websites including Facebook and YouTube. It's the go-to for straightforward web apps. PostgreSQL is more advanced, it handles complex queries, supports advanced data types, and is loved by developers who need precision and flexibility. Speed and performance. MySQL is faster for simple read-heavy operations. Think blogs, e-commerce sites, content management systems. It's optimized for speed out of the box. PostgreSQL is better for complex queries and write-heavy applications. If you're doing analytics, reporting, or handling relationships between data, PostgreSQL won't slow down. Features and flexibility. MySQL keeps it simple. Basic data types, straightforward queries, easy to learn. Perfect if you just need a reliable database without complexity. PostgreSQL is feature-rich, supports JSON, arrays, custom data types, full-text search, and even geospatial data. It's basically a Swiss Army knife for databases. Ease of use. MySQL wins here. Setup is faster, documentation is beginner-friendly, and there are tons of tutorials. Most hosting providers support it by default. PostgreSQL has a steeper learning curve, but once you get it, you have way more control and power. Scalability and reliability. Both scale well, but PostgreSQL handles concurrency better. Multiple users writing data at the same time won't cause issues. MySQL can struggle with heavy concurrent writes unless you fine-tune it. For data integrity, PostgreSQL is stricter. It enforces rules and prevents bad data from sneaking in. MySQL is more forgiving, which can be good or bad depending on your needs. Choose MySQL if you're building a standard web app, need speed, and want simplicity. Choose PostgreSQL if you need advanced features, complex queries, or your app will grow into something data-intensive. Both are solid, just pick what matches your project. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe for more database comparisons. Catch you next time.